Winter Olympics begin in lockdown, and your Monday pick, Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily, starts right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Monday, February 7, 2022. I'm Joshua Stark. The country where the coronavirus outbreak emerged 2 years ago launched a lockdown Winter Olympics on Friday, proudly projecting its might on the most global of stages, even as some Western governments mounted a diplomatic boycott over the way China treats millions of its own people. Chinese President Xi Jinping declared the games open during an opening ceremony heavy on ice blue tones and winter imagery that was held in the same lattice-encased national stadium that hosted the inaugural event at the 2008 Olympics. More after this on Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily, including your pick of the day. Stick around.
A lot of swiping, streaming, scrolling, double tapping, and social media stalking. A whole lot of nothing. You're probably scrolling right now. While we think a certain red heart is giving us life, we're neglecting the one that actually does. So let's take a stand against sitting. Let's care more about strolling than scrolling. Let's take charge of our health. Let's make moves together, starting now. Now.
Investors are snapping up shares of Snap Incorporated after the owner of the disappearing message platform Snapchat surprised Wall Street by posting a quarterly profit for the first time. The stock jump came Thursday after Facebook parent Meta saw its worst one-day stock price decline in its history, showing that while internet and social media companies are sometimes lumped together by Wall Street, their fortunes often diverge. Your Monday pick invests in the public income markets across the globe. The fund invests in U.S. dollar-denominated high-yield corporate debt obligations. It employs fundamental analysis along with a top-down stock-picking approach to make its investments. PIMCO High Income Fund, symbol PHK, starts at $6.04 a share. We'll see you tomorrow for more Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily.
Adopt US Kids presents What to Expect When You're Expecting a Teenager. Learning the lingo.
Jelly. Jelly adjective. Jelly is a shorter, better way to say jealous. As in, Chloe, I am like so jelly of your unicorn phone case.
You don't have to speak teen to be a perfect parent. Thousands of teens in foster care will love you just the same. Visit adoptuskids.org, brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Adopt US Kids, and the Ad Council.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.